I started an earlier company called Yubiki Health while I was in grad school about 5 years ago to explore really how patient-reported outcomes data could be used outside of a clinical or research setting and more in regular clinical care. But our first experiments for that were to test whether there is patient utility, and so we did a little experiment with a very simple migraine tracking application, and we put that out in the public and saw how patients reacted to it. And the results were amazing and very encouraging. But what we realized over time as we did pilots with different customers, especially with pharmaceutical customers, was that the companies or the patients, that were really getting the most benefit out of what we were doing at Yubiki Health were actually those who were sharing data with their physicians. And around the same time, we also got feedback from various physicians and also provider organizations saying that, this is a really great system, but we wish that we could have access to this data in real time. Could there be a portal for us or somewhere we could have this aggregated and use it across our whole patient base? And so over the time that it took for us to raise our seed round of funding, we also realized that we had now oriented ourselves really towards the provider and patient relationship, and that's where our true value proposition was. And so recently we relaunched the company as Klio Health, and we're really excited about our new platform, which is really empowering patients and providers to improve communication with one another through providing easy mobile and web-based self-tracking and self-reporting tools for patients, but also giving feedback to both the patient and provider based on rules around all that data that we're collecting. So for example, we can help patients be more adherent with their medication, or give them tips and educational content based on the personalized issues that they're facing at a particular point in time when they're not in the clinic with their doctor.